Look up at the night sky and it seems peaceful, but above us, a silent crisis is unfolding. Thousands of pieces of space debris, from old satellites to rocket fragments, are orbiting the Earth at incredible speeds. This growing cloud of junk threatens our satellites, our space missions, and even the future of space exploration. Let's dive into the challenges of space debris, its impacts, and what we can do to clean up this mess. Space debris, also known as the space junk, is any human-made object in orbit that no longer serves a purpose. This includes old satellites, spent rocket stages, and even tiny fragments from collisions or explosions. There are over 130 million pieces of debris larger than a millimeter orbiting the Earth right now, and they are traveling at a speed of up to 28,000 kilometers per hour, faster than a bullet. So why is space debris such a big problem? Now let's discuss the key challenges. Even a tiny piece of debris can cause catastrophic damage to satellites or spacecraft. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite collided with an active USA satellite, creating thousands of new debris fragments. Scientists worry about the Kessler syndrome, a scenario where collisions create more debris, leading to even more collisions until Earth's orbit becomes unusable. Debris threatens the satellites we rely on for GPS, weather forecasting, communication, and even banking. A single collision could disrupt services we depend on every day. Space debris doesn't just damage satellites, it puts human lives at risk too. The International Space Station has had to perform debris avoidance maneuvers multiple times to avoid collisions. Even a small piece of debris could puncture the ISS, endangering the crew for future missions to the Moon and Mars. Debris could make space travel even more dangerous. Now the good news, scientists and engineers are working on solutions to tackle the space debris problem. Here are the most promising ideas. Missions like the European Space Agency's Clear Space One aim to capture and remove pieces of debris using robotic arms or nets. Improved tracking systems help satellites and spacecraft avoid collisions. Companies like Leo Labs are using radar to monitor debris in real time. New guidelines encourage satellite operators to design satellites that can debris safely or move to a graveyard orbit after their mission ends. Some scientists propose using a ground-based lasers to nudge debris out of orbit, reducing the risk of collisions. Solving the space debris problem requires global cooperation. Organizations like United Nations and space agencies worldwide are working together to create guidelines and share data. After all, space belongs to everyone and protecting it is a shared responsibility. Space debris is a challenge we can't ignore, but with innovation, collaboration, and commitment to sustainability, we can clean up Earth's orbit and ensure a brighter future for space exploration. The next time you look up at the stars, remember, the choices we make today will shape the skies of tomorrow. Subscribe me for more videos on space, science, and the future of our planet. Like, share, and join the mission to protect space for generations to come. Also, if you want to know how black holes eat stars, check this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.